What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video, and in today's video we're going to be giving another Bitcoin daily analysis. As you can see on the 1 hour chart, Bitcoin is currently trading at $62,902. So we have taken a slight dip compared to yesterday's price. As you can see on the bottom trend line, Bitcoin is trading with 3 touch points, followed by the top trend line, which is trading with 3 touch points as well. As you can see, Bitcoin is currently trading in this sort of consolidation narrow-like trading pattern, a very similar pattern seen across all markets beyond crypto. These are very good patterns to see. They're very stable patterns. They provide a very precise way of where Bitcoin's price can actually do next. So when you see patterns like this, it's usually a very good indicator when it trades sideways. As you can see in the green, with the green marker drawn inside the channel, that is my prediction on what the price can do next. It does look a little messed up, but it's not perfect, but that's just my prediction. As you can see with the orange arrow over the top trend line, Bitcoin could break that top trend line and push further in price. Again, it just depends on the macro conditions like the Clarity Act, the Middle Eastern conflict, things like that. Same with the bottom orange arrow. We could break that bottom trend line and dip even further. Again, it just depends on the macro conditions. But let me know your thoughts and opinions on my 1 hour chart setup. It usually takes longer for, it takes relatively a faster time for a price to reflect on the 1 hour chart as opposed to the 4 hour chart. The 1 hour chart has, each candlestick represents 1 hour's worth of trading activity. On the 4 hour chart, each candlestick represents 4 hours worth of trading activity. But I do want to show you guys the 4 hour chart just to give you guys a much more broader perspective on Bitcoin's trading activity. As you can see on the 4 hour chart, Bitcoin is currently trading at $63,023. So relatively the same compared to the 1 hour chart. As you can see, Bitcoin is trading in this sort of descending like channel pattern. It's been trading in this pattern on the 4 hour chart for some time now. As you can see on the bottom trend line, Bitcoin has 2 touch points, followed by the top trend line, which also has 2 touch points. As seen, drawn with the green marker within that channel, that is my prediction on what the price can do next. Again, that isn't a foolproof or exact way that it could trade, but that is just my prediction. The same with the other chart. On the 1 hour chart, I do have the top orange arrow. That's just an indicator we could break that top trend line and push up in price. Same with the bottom orange arrow, we could dip even further, breaking that bottom trend line. Again, it just depends on the macro conditions like the Clarity Act, the Middle Eastern conflict. And I also want to just tell you guys that Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are extremely volatile. They're still technically considered an unregulated asset class. So there's a lot of scams, rug pulls, things like that. So just be on the lookout and be mindful of the things that you buy or the things you will buy in the world of crypto and just finance in general. But let me know your thoughts and opinions on my 1 hour and 4 hour chart setup. Do you agree with it or not? Do you have any other ways that you configure your technical analysis, whether it's patterns, indicators? Let me know. Please like, share, and subscribe. And you guys have a good rest of your day.